I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Twitch profile picture on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Twitch app on your Apple iPhone or iPad, and then tap your profile icon in the row of menu options. Your Twitch profile screen opens. Step 2. Tap Edit Profile on this screen. The next screen lets you edit options associated with your Twitch profile. Step 3. Navigate to the Brand section and then tap the Edit icon next to Profile Picture. A window opens asking if you want to choose an existing photo to use or take a new photo. Step 4. In this example, I'll tap Choose Existing Photo. A gallery of photos in your iPhone or iPad library is displayed. Step 5. Tap to choose the photo you want to use as your new Twitch profile picture. A Choose Photo window opens where you can crop what part of that photo will be displayed. Step 6. Crop this photo accordingly and then tap Choose. You'll be routed back to the Edit Profile screen where you'll see that your Twitch profile picture has been updated. Be aware that it may take up to 48 hours for this change to be reflected on all of the devices where you access Twitch. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.